Hello, good day everyone. So today we're going to have a quick review of the buoy. Yan. So this is best to use kapag ka mag-free dive ka or kahit na mag-snorkeling ka. So I got it from the Orange app for around 1,400. Kapag ka bumili ka kasi ng buoy na yung parang interior ng gulong, medyo ano kasi siya, mabigat. So this one is lightweight lang and para siyang same shape nung ginagamit sa Baywatch. The only difference is that inflatable siya. Yung sa Baywatch kasi na ginagamit, ano yun, parang hard plastic yun na ano, na buoy. So this part is para siyang ano, synthetic plastic. I'm not sure if that's how you call it. And then may hawakan, maganda naman yung quality, makapal siya. And then may mga plastic ring or D-ring where you can hook your stuff. So if you have like a dry bag that you want to bring with you, yan, pwede din. Or yung mga hard case na waterproof. Yan. And then yung part where you put air, ito siya, nakatago siya dito sa label, keep diving. Ayan. So okay siya kasi hindi siya exposed. Ayan. And then meron ditong velcro underneath, no? 3 velcro on this side and then another 3 velcro on this side, no? Siguro magagamit mo siya kung meron kang sphere, kung balak mo mag ano, spear fishing. And then ito, you only have to inflate it using your mouth, no? Hindi mo na kailangan ng compressor. So i-unscrew mo lang siya, or yan, makikita mo yung thread, no? Yan, unscrew mo lang siya para ma-press mo to. Ito, pag ganun. So pagka na-press mo to, you can blow air na, or pwede mo nang i-deflate siya. So yan, dito yung ano, pasukan ng hangin. Yan. Yan. And then this part is where you can put yung flag, no? Lagay mo lang siya. Ayan, dito. So the important part here is, kagaya nung nabanggit ko kanina, this is best used for free diving para alam nung mga, say for example, merong fisherman or may bangka, may speedboat, jet ski or whatnot, alam nila na merong tao sa ilalim ng tubig on that particular area kung saan yung buoy. So para mas madaling ano, highly visible. Ayan. Okay. Ayun. So yun lang naman. Maganda din yung pagkaka-stitch nito. I haven't used it yet sa actual, pero malalaman din natin soon how good it is. Ayan. So may 3 hawakan, isa dito, then 2 sa gilid. Ayan. And then isang D-ring dito. By the way, may kasama pala siyang nylon rope. So you use this for attaching it here, and then kung maglalagay ka ng weights para hindi madaling mag anurin or i-drift ng ano, ng current, no? So and that's how you use it. Or pwede mo rin naman itali sa sarili mo para kapag medyo nangalay ka na, madali lang hilain itong ano, buoy, and then you can hold on to it para magpahinga ka kapag pagod ka na. Alright, so that's it for the portable and inflatable buoy. So looking forward to use it soon, and if I find anything about this, may hindi maganda, may mas maganda na use, then i-share natin yan for our next video. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and see you on the next video. Bye. Take care and stay safe.